How to download Dubai Islamic Bank app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Dubai Islamic Bank app on your device. For this, go ahead and open up Play Store if you are on the Android device. If you are on iOS, you want to open App Store. Now tap on the search bar, then search for Dubai Islamic Bank app. Now you want to tap on this option, which is DIB mobile. If you want to know more about this application, tap on the about this app option, and here you can find all the information about your Dubai Islamic Bank's mobile application. If you scroll down, you will have the app info as well, including the technical details. Now head back, scroll down, and you will find the ratings and reviews with the users. Now if you want to download this application, tap on the install option. It will take some time for the application to be downloaded depending on your internet speed. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Then you can simply tap on the open option, log into your Dubai Islamic Bank account and start using the app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.